Welcome students. Course code BOC 105, course title Classical Taxonomy and Phylogeny. We are going to study a module from Unit 2 and the module is Araceae family. I am Shriveni Tari, Assistant Professor from PSS RSN College of Arts and Science. Outline of this module includes systematic position of family Araceae, diagnostic features of family Araceae, important ornamental, economical, medicinal plants of the family Araceae. Learning outcomes: explains the systematic position of family Araceae, identifies the plants belonging to family Araceae, describes the diagnostic features of family Araceae, lists the ornamental or economical or medicinal plants of the family Araceae. Araceae, that is also called as the arum family. Let us look at the systematic position. Class is Monoclamidae, series is Nudiflora, because family Araceae, that is also called as the arum family. Let us look at the systematic position. It is belonging to class Monocotyledons, since it has got a single cotyledon and shows parallel venation. Series is Nudiflora, since the perianth is absent. Family is Araceae. Let us look at the diagnostic features. They are terrestrial, erect or climbing or aquatic herbs with rhizome or corms. Leaves are often large and mucilaginous. Inflorescence is a spadix subtended by a large spathe. That can be seen in the picture that is showing the Alocasia plant. Flowers are small and reduced, usually unisexual. Fruit is a berry or utricle. Let us look at the vegetative features. They are either terrestrial or aquatic herbs, sometimes epiphytic or climbing, usually with rhizomes and corms that are also helping in the vegetative propagation of the plants. Usually mucilaginous, raffinate crystals of calcium oxalate are seen in these members which are containing chemicals which causes irritation. So, you might have experienced some of the people, once they have the dishes which are prepared out of either Alocasia or Colocasia, they start getting irritation in the throat. That is due to the presence of calcium oxalate crystals. So, they show the absence of vessels in stem and the leaves. Coming to the leaf characters, they are small to very large with sheathing leaf bases, alternate, spiral or disticus, petiolate or sessile with parallel, pinnate or palmate venations. The stipules are absent. Stomata is parasitic or tetrazytic, cyclocytic or anemocytic. Then the reproductive features: inflorescence is capigerous, a spadix containing a dense spike subtended and enclosed by a large spathe. In the picture we can see the green colored spathe that is enclosing the white colored spadix. The flowers are very small, they are sessile, unisexual or bisexual, they are ebracteate, often fragrant or malodorous, that means they are having very foul smell, regular to very irregular. The picture we can see the inflorescence that is covered with a spathe and the spadix. Within the spadix, the flowers are arranged in a particular manner. As can be seen, the lower portion will be showing the presence of the pistillate flower and the upper portion will be showing the presence of the staminate flower, and at the tip will be the sterile portion, and at the junction of the staminate and the pistillate flower again there will be some sterile flowers. Then the perianth, it will be lacking, or if present will be showing 4 to 6 tepals. They are free or connate, usually in 2 whorls and green in color. Androecium, 1 to 6 stamens, free or with connate filaments, usually in 2 whorls. Anthers are basifixed, longitudinal dehiscence by pods. Pollen grains aperturate or non-aperturate. Gynoecium, 2 to 3 carpels, united, ovary is superior, usually unilocular, 1 to 5 ovuled. Placentation is apical or marginal. Ovules are autotropous or anatropous. Fruit is usually drupe or berry. Plants of the family This family includes 104 genera and 1040 species, which are mainly distributed throughout the world, but mainly you can see in tropical and subtropical regions. Major genera include Anthurium, Philodendron, Erythema, Amorphophallus, Dieffenbachia and Syngonium. Important plant species. Some of the members of this family are used as vegetables, and some of the examples are Alocasia indica, Colocasia esculenta, Amorphophallus pinifolius, and some of them are also used as ornamental or indoor plants. We have the examples as Dieffenbachia saginii, Anthurium indianum, Caladium bicolor, Spathiphyllum montanum. These are some of the picture. The first one is the Amorphophallus pinifolius, next is Dieffenbachia saginii, then we have Anthurium indianum and Caladium bicolor. These are some of the online and the offline references for your further reading. Thank you.